1 drop, cleanses lungs, reduces mucus, improves airflow. Welcome life well lived. There's nothing more important than getting oxygen into our lungs. This oxygen is transported into the blood, ensuring that all your cells, tissues, glands, and organs remain healthy. However, the air we breathe is filled with bacteria, viruses, pollutants, and everyday toxins from activities like cleaning our homes. This can lead to breathing issues that significantly affect our overall health. When it comes to cleaning our lungs and respiratory tract, oregano stands out due to its numerous healing and medicinal properties. Whether you suffer from allergies, asthma, or are fighting harmful organisms, inhaling pollutants can cause your sinuses to swell and create a path of irritation down to your trachea and lungs. Oregano, with its powerful compounds like carvacrol and terpenes, can help cleanse your lungs, reduce inflammation, and alleviate congestion, ultimately improving airflow. When pollen, dust, mold, chemicals, fungus, or pathogens enter our bodies, they trigger the release of histamine, leading to swelling in the facial area, sinuses, throat, and lungs. Oregano can counteract these histamine reactions, reducing fluid buildup and swelling during allergy attacks. Its natural histamine-reducing properties can ease persistent coughing and promote better sleep, allowing your body to repair and heal. There are several ways to incorporate the benefits of oregano into your daily life. Organic dried leaf oregano, add it to your foods, pastas, or any dish you like. It's healthy and flavorful. Fresh organic oregano, rich in vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and enzymes. Fresh oregano can be added to salads, soups, or any meal for a delicious and nutritious boost. Oregano tea. You can dry oregano leaves to make a soothing tea, or buy pre-made teas for convenience. This can greatly improve your breathing and lung health. Oil of wild oregano. This potent oil can be taken in several ways. Place 1 or 2 drops under your tongue. If it's too strong, mix it with water or another beverage. Add a few drops to a boiling pot of water or a steamer, and inhale the vapors by covering your head with a towel. Be careful not to burn yourself. The vapors will clear your sinuses and cleanse your lungs. Regularly cleansing your lungs ensures better oxygenation, which is crucial for the health of your cells, tissues, glands, and organs. Keeping your lungs clean can lead to better overall health and well-being. Oregano offers a natural, effective way to maintain lung health and combat respiratory issues caused by allergens and pollutants. By incorporating oregano into your daily routine, you can improve your breathing, reduce congestion, and enhance your overall health. Please share this valuable information with your friends and family. And make every day a great day.